Very good evening to everyone. Today I would like to discuss regarding fourth year students. So how they want to take the decision. So this decision make them to be helpful in the total future. They want to spend after completion of their graduation to engaging in their job. So many people are feel so much stress and confusion to take the decision in the final year. So at the end of their graduation, they feel if I don't have a job, I don't have a life. So many people are feeling stress. The first point is they want a job. So some people are thinking, so they want money to do anything. So they want to do anything, they require money. Some people they want a job for the sake of parents, maybe the anything what they want to do. So some people, yeah, they don't know anything they don't want. No, they don't know what they want to do after completion of their BTech. So this type of criteria you observe. Some people are have clarity with the higher studies, higher education. So I want to tell you the situation and how to come out of these are all things. So how to come out of these are all problems. The people are in the condition by the end of final year. So I'm taking a small example here. So one person is here and another person is here. So I want a job. So this person is require a job. So but if he is a manager, someone asking him to please give me the job I require and I need. Anyone can give. So they ask what are the qualifications you have with you. What is the knowledge you have. So he is expecting without having any knowledge regarding the job. He want a job. Is it fairly a meaningful thing? So my suggestion is first learn the things. Okay, first learn the things. What are the requirements to get the job? So if you want that job. So second thing is, so automatically if you remove the letter of L here, so the letter is here L. So what I am showing here is L. So automatically you will get the thing of earning here. So you will automatically earn. Okay. So this is one category. So second category, he always learning the things previously. So then automatically without expecting the job, he will definitely get the job. So one more condition I want to tell you the thing. So many people are selected to go for a job. So why? Because due to their financial conditions, due to their financial condition from their family. So some people are taking, even though the situation is not bad in their family, they're taking the job itself only. So even though they have a capability to get some other else. So please try to know the things. Some people are going for business. So don't you think like that a job is nothing but a joining of a business, under a person. Joining of business under a person. Please try to realize that one. So you are doing a business. So many people, our parents are allowing for job, but they don't allowing the people for doing the business. So I don't think a business, in a business you are be the owner. There are so many types of business are there. Okay. So in your business, self-employment is one of the business. A self-employment. So it is a job. And entrepreneur. And real estates. You get these are all things. So my suggestion is take the decision. So don't take the decision for a present situation. Never take the decision for present situation. Please, my dear friends, realize by the end of final year, if you don't get the job, you will never die. Realize the thing. Even you don't get the job, you will never die. But you have a chance to work somewhere where you want to, a passion. So even so my question is, so many people are doing their engineering in one branch, but they get the job. They're doing engineering in some other branch, maybe EC or maybe the CSC or some other else. So those people are doing a software sector. I don't want to say then don't do it. So do the thing, the same job wherever you want to be the software. So but with a passion. Don't go for without passion, you will not be sustained there. Definitely you will not grow much more. Why? Because you don't have interest by doing for the sake of money. So my suggestion is one more: don't work for the sake of money. So many people are doing mistake here is the major mistake the engineering students are doing. So after completion of their graduation, they work for money, so they will never succeed. So you are selling your time to a person to get the money, so you will not achieve whatever you want. You are fall in a trap. Definitely you will never come out of from this trap, the job trap. So many people are falling in the trap. So if you once fall in a trap, you will never come out of from the trap. So I would like to tell you how to take the decision to come out of from your trap. So please try to with me. Yeah, my suggestion is someone, I will take an example of A and B persons. So both are need money, so both are trying for opportunity. So if you think like that, he is working for a job, they both are get a job. So both people are get a job. So but he wanted so for maybe by present your age is 21 around, so his age is also 21. So he want to work for everything. He's working his job up to 40 for getting increment of his salaries, and he get a small house and some children's. He saves some property for few years, maybe for up to 20. But he did here is a job as a part time. He focus on his ideas. So he's earning with he's not up to 20 years, maybe 10 to 15 years. With a part-time, same work, he put his efforts on whatever the idea he has with him. So finally he got that one. So here he is spending his total time to earn the money. So but he is spending some time, maybe daily 4 hours for part-time. So remaining time is work on his idea. So finally, so he achieved his idea. So the idea is nothing but a small business, so which will generate him throughout his life, even he is not doing work. So here, so by the end of 40, he is getting all illness, not able to work or not able to do the work. So finally his income become a zero. His income become a tremendously unlimited. Like even he is sleeping, he is getting the money. Okay. So there is no limited to is generating of a money. So my dear friend, so where you want to be in the final position. So by the end of your older age, you don't be in the position. Okay, don't run behind the money. Make money to run behind you. So try to focus on those things. So one more thing, try to think. So many people are, why they don't think, I don't know. So how many people are know how many companies regarding their branches throughout India and international. So what are the requirement, what are the qualifications they want? Why so many people are not getting a job? Because of they need a job but they don't know, they don't have the skills. Not skills means technical and non-technical. So both are required. So one more thing, my suggestion is try to think yourself first. So find your niche. So where you have a more interest regarding maybe your core, maybe you're not core. It is not a matter of thing. So find your niche and make a plan. Maybe today is not work out, but tomorrow it will work out. So try to work on it. Try to work on that thing. Okay. So try to work on your plan. So it will give result. Okay. The result may be you treated as a failure or maybe the success. But you know working, how to work on. So even you fail, you will come back to the work, definitely will get the result as a success one day. Okay, the person who know climbing of a tree, by luckily he will stay on the tree. So when he fall down on the earth, he will never climb. So the person who know climbing and down from the tree, even he falls so many times, he will definitely come back to the tree. So that is the principle you have to follow. Believe yourself, your strength, not believing someone else, those who will help you in the future. So you will achieve these things. So one more point I want to tell you those things with you. So one more thing is simple. Yeah, along with this one. So the person is having here. So he know what to do. He know what he wanted to do, but he's not doing the thing. The small gap. He know what he wanted to do, but he's not doing. Why? Because of a lack of self confidence on him. So lack of self confidence on him. So try to get the self confidence by appreciating yourself, by remembering what you did in the past. So even so many people are thinking, I don't have any knowledge regarding, I don't know anything by the end of final. So don't you think like that? So you learn a lot of life skills how to survive in the surroundings. If so, don't try to imagine it and comparing the things and link with the things what you have with you, my dear friends. You will definitely succeed and find your niche to reach your goal. Definitely, you will come out from this dilemma. So take a pen and paper and try to note down where you want to be after 40 years. Where you want to be after 40 years. So try to find it. So based on that, you take the decision now. Take the decision. Otherwise, you will never. So many people are thinking, if I take this one, or tomorrow I will change, or tomorrow I will change, I will reach. Never reach. Present action will decide your future. So past will decide your present. Remember this one. So whatever you did the past, so because of that reason you are in the present, where you are. So whatever you are doing the present, so it will make where you would be in the future. So the present, past means what you nothing is there. Your habits, what you are doing daily. So that will make you in the past what you do to present. The present what you are doing here. So it will definitely make you future where you would be. So try to listen what you are doing in present. Try to realize the thing. Okay, all the best, my dear friends. Try to find your niche and achieve what you want to be in the future. All the best to everyone, my dear friends.